we're on the verge of a bigger disaster. I don't think, against what everybody else says, I don't think he was hoping for violence. I think he was hoping for people to protest. I don't think he was hoping for it to go as far as it did. But Congress did what they should have done. They certified the election in spite of the attack on the Capitol building. And I think he realizes where it is now, and the best way out for him is what he did and not going to the inauguration. So I think that was the best way forward for him.
When chaos broke out at the Capitol, it was an Arizona congressman who used his military background to take charge, direct people to exits, and put their gas masks on. Congressman Ruben Gallego just told us how it all went down.
It was a great job in communication leadership, and someone ordered everyone to get ready to put on gas masks, and I realized that no one really knew how to put on gas masks. And at some point, I thought I was going to have to fight my way out. So I was starting to remember some of my line training that I had when I was mixed martial arts training I had in the Marine Corps.
What's the best word to describe Gallego's actions at the Capitol that day?
Valiant. I don't know, I wouldn't go as far as hero, but I would say there was valor. There was leadership would be a great word. Realizing, as weird as this sounds, that they have gas masks in the chamber, but they never teach anybody how to put them on, is weird. And as he said, there was really no direction when they were telling people to exit an event.